Okay, so we will discuss chapter 1 in trigonometric functions. This lecture is care of Pearson Education Incorporated. So we are going to discuss the angles. So basic terms. So we have two distinct points determine a line called line A and B. Ayan. So pag from point A to point B, yan yung line AB. Line segment. A portion of the line between A and B including points A and B. So, ito example yan. So, may hangganan yan, di ba? Ito yung line, points of A and B. Yun yung tinatawag na line segment for array A, B. So, portion of line AB starts it at A and continues through B and pass B. So, yan, di ba? So, ito yung ray AB. So, a point A nasa point B. Ayan, dire-diretso siya. So, yun yung direction ng ating ray AB. So, we have the basic terms. Angle formed by rotating a ray around its endpoint. Yan, di ba? So, we have initial side. So, this will be the vertex. Ito yung terminal side. Yan. Ito yung angle na sinasabi. From initial going to terminal side. Yan. Yun yung endpoint, which is vertex. So, the ray in its initial position is called the initial angle. So, ito yun. So, this will be the initial angle. Yan. So, the terminal side, this will be the ray in each location after the rotation is the terminal side of the angle. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? On naming the angles. So, unless it is ambiguous as the meaning, angles may be named only by single letter using English or Greek letter displayed at the vertex on an area of rotation between initial and terminal sides. So, angle may also be named by three letters, one represented by a point on each or the initial side, or one representing the vertex and one representing a point on the terminal sides. Vertex letter in the middle, others first or last. So for example, ito yung ating vertex A, B, C. Yan yung ating yung mga, yan, di ba? Point A, B, C. Ito yung initial side natin, terminal side, ito yung angle natin, ito yung vertex of A. So, pwede na siyang tawaging angle A. Kasi nga, ito yun, di ba? Which is yung nakagitna, angle A. Angle theta. Ito yun. Or, angle CAB. CAB. Or, BAC. Ito yung angle niyan. Basta kailangan siya nasa middle. Yan. So, positive angle, the rotation of the terminal side on an angle counterclockwise. So, yan, di ba? So, yan, this is counterclockwise. So, from origin, going here is your positive angle. Pag sinabi negative, clockwise. That is, ikot natin, the rotation of the terminal side is clockwise. Yan, di ba? Ito yun. Negative yan, angle na yan. O, pag nalilito kayo kung ano yung clockwise or counterclockwise, look, tingnan yung relo nyo. So, pag, di ba, pag nakita nyo yung relo nyo, umiikot. Pag sinusundan yung ikot ng relo, that is clockwise, which is negative. Clockwise yun. Di ba? Sinusundan yung ikot ng relo, di ba? So, ikot ng relo yan. Yan. Ikot ng relo yan. Clockwise. Pag bumaligtad yung ikot ng relo, ano tawag? Ano sabi nyo? Counterclockwise? Hindi. Ipagawa nyo yung relo nyo kasi sira yun. Mayroon bang relong bumabaliktad ng takbo? Hindi, joke lang yun. So, ito yung tinatawag na counterclockwise. Diba? So, at least alam nyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng counterclockwise at clockwise. Okay, next. So, we have angle measures. and type of angles. So the most common unit for measuring angles is the degree. So one rotation, 360. Diba? Alam natin yan. One-fourth rotation, 90 degrees. One half is 180. And then 1 over 360 is 1 degrees. Diba? 1 degree yan. So angle and measures of angle not the same, but it is common to say that an angle is measure. So type of angles named on basis of measure. So ito yun, di ba? Yung 0 degrees is less than theta or less than 90 degrees. So acute angle yun. Di ba? Tandaan nyo if your theta or 0 degrees is less than the theta, value of the theta, and then less than 90 degrees, acute angle yon. If your theta is 90 degrees, right angle. If your theta is greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees, obtuse yun. If your theta is 180, yan, straight line or straight angle pala I mean. Yan. So tandaan nyo if your theta is less than 90 degrees but more than 0 degrees, that is angle, acute angle. Pero kung 90 degrees yan, right angle. Pero pag more than 90 at less than 180, obtuse yun. Pero pag dire-diretso 180 yan, straight angle ang tawag. Okay. Ayan. Paano may complementary and supplementary angles? If two positive angles are called complementary, if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees, ayan, the angle that is complementary to 43 degrees, ilan? 90 degrees minus 43 is 47 degrees. The positive angle are called supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So the angle that is supplementary to 68 degrees, 168 minus 60, 180 degrees minus 68 degrees is 112 degrees. So yan yung supplementary angle niya. It kailangan equal sa 180. Ito equal sa 100, equal sa 90 degrees. Yan. Kaya sa complementary. Ito naman ay supplementary. Diba? Complementary angle. Fine. Yan. So, you're looking for the k plus x or k plus 20 and then k minus 16. You're looking for the value of k. So, alam natin to ay 90 degrees. Diba? Yan, 90 yan. So, k plus 20 plus k minus 16 is equal to 90. So, k plus k is 2k. 20 minus 16 is positive 4. So, equals 90. Ilipat natin yung 4 sa kabila. Ayan, magiging 86. So, divide both sides by 2. So, k is 43. But we are looking for the k plus 20 and then k minus 16. So, k 43 plus 20 is 6 degrees. And then 43 minus 16 is 27 degrees. Pag pinag-add natin dalawa, 90. So, yun yung value ng k, which is 43 degrees. Any questions tayo doon? I hope na naintindihan nyo yan, ha? Ayan, next. Supplementary angles. So, find the measure of each angle. Ayan. So, alam natin itong straight line na to is 180, di ba? So, 6x plus 7 and then 3x plus 2 is equal to 180. Ayan. So, pag pinag-add natin ito, 9x plus 9. Diba? Equals 180. Ilipat natin sa kabila, magiging 171. So, divide both sides by 9. So, 19. So, pag chinek natin yan, substitute natin yung value ng x. So, we have 121. The other one is 59. Pag pinag-add natin dalawa, ano magiging makuha ng value? Tama, 180. Yun. Di ba? So, paano may portion, degrees, minutes, and seconds? Yan, conversion natin. So, alam natin, 1 minute is 1 over 60 of a degree. Ayan. Diba? 1 minute, 1 degree over 60. Or 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. Conversion natin. So, 1 second is 1 over 60 of minutes. Diba? Yan, no? So, 1 second, 1 minute over 60, 1 degrees over 3,600, or 60 minutes or 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, or 3,600 seconds equals to 1 degrees. 1 degree, I mean. So, check natin conversion. Ayan, 34 degrees, 34 minute plus 26, 52 minutes. So, pag inad natin yan, so this is 6, 8, 3, carry 1, that is 53. Nakita natin tong medyo sobra sa 60. Di ba, remember, 60 lang dapat yan. So, magdadagdag tayo ng isa dito. So, magiging, ayan o, kukunin natin isang 60 para idagdag dito sa isa. So, magiging 1 minute, 1 degree, 26 minutes. Pag inad natin yan, 54 degrees and 26 minutes. So, yan yung final answer natin. Ayan, di ba? Tandaan nyo ha, kasi sobra siya. Kasi yan, kukunin natin yun. Pero pag more than 60, ado ko ilan man yun, yun ay i-add natin dito. Next, ayan, 72 degrees minus 15 degrees, 18 minutes. So, magbabawas tayo. So, pwede naman to, di ba? Yung 72 degrees, pwedeng 71 degrees, 60 minutes. Di ba? Ayan, pag kinuha natin yan, 42, yan, 6, and this one is 56. So, 56 degrees and 42 minutes. So, kasi kinuha natin isa dito, kasi this is 72, pwede maging 71 degrees and 60 minutes. Minutes to, hindi yan degrees. Nagkamali lang ng symbol. Okay, yan. So, nagkaintindihan tayo. Yan. Okay. Actually, 60 degrees kasi 1 minute is 60 degrees. Yan, di ba? Ay, 1 degree is 60 minutes. Di ba? Okay. Next. Ayan. Conversion ulit pa rin tayo. Ayan, pagkasama may seconds. Tatlo na. Mas madali yan, di ba? Yan ang gagawin natin, di ba? So, divide natin both sides. So, 74 degrees plus 12 over 60 plus 18 over 3,600. Pag chinek natin, ito yan. So, pag inad natin lahat yan, 74.205 degrees. Actually, you can use calculator if nakita nyo yung 0 degrees 999 or inverse, makukuha nyo yun using your scientific calculator. Pero ini-encourage kayo na huwag gamitin para at least alam niyo yung long method. Ito naman, 34.624. So, kanina, naka degrees, minute, and seconds, kinonvert natin sa degrees. Ito naman, naka-degrees ko, convert natin sa ganito. Check natin, ha? So, yung 624, di ba yan? Di ba? Pag chinek natin yan, 60. Di ba? Para makuha natin. So, makukuha ulit natin ganyan. So, 34 degrees. So, 0.624 mo tayo 60. So, 37.44. So, yung 37 minutes andito, yung 44 andito. Multiply mo ulit sa 60. So, makukuha natin yung 26.4. So, ito yung ating final answer. So, 34 degrees, 37 minutes, 26.4 seconds. Paano to nangyari? Kasi nga, di ba, kinonvert lang natin to yung 0.624 into degrees. So, di ba, minutes pala I mean. So, 60 minutes over 1 degrees. Cancel yung degrees yun. Yan na natira. So, ganun lang din dito. Pare-pares lang siya. I hope naiintindihan nyo, ha? Naiintindihan natin. Nakakailang I hope na ba ako? So, ang angle is in the standard position if its vertex is at the origin and its initial side is along the positive x-axis. Yan. Diba? Diba? So, yun yung ating mga standard position. Quadrantal angles, yan. 90, 180, and 270. Alam naman natin yan, di ba? tatlo. Ito yung 90, 180, 270. Actually, this is the origin or 360. Yan. Coterminal angles, a complete rotation of a ray result in an angle measuring 360 degrees given an angle A and continuing the rotation by a multiple of 360 degrees will result in a different angles. So A plus N 360 degrees with the same terminal side coterminal angles. So nakita natin yan, di ba? So, yan. Ibig sabihin, so sobra tayo sa 360. Yan. So, that is 420. This is 1. Ilan yan? 360 minus 420. Ito yung angle na yan. So, 60. Diba? 60 plus 360, that's 420. Yan. Yan yung coterminal angles. Yan. Pag 830 degrees, mag-start tayo sa 0. Ayan, ikot. Yan, dire-diretso. Ayan, yan. Hanggang sa ma-reach natin yung yan, 360. So, sobra, yun yung 110. So, yun yung coterminal angles. 830 degrees. Diba? Madali lang yan. Find the angles of smallest possible positive measure coterminal with angle, each angle. Ayan. Add or subtract 360 as many times as needed to obtain an angle with measure greater than 0 but less than 360. So ito, yan ang makukuha natin dito. Oh, so 755. So 390, di ba? Nakita natin. So may natira pa uli. Kasi di ba 1,115 minus 360 minus 360. So ibig sabihin tatlong ikot to. Where 35 is along the first quadrant, di ba? So doon yung 35 natin. Di ba? So 35 degrees. Yan. Dito naman, negative. So 173. Kaya dito nasa paikot to. Di ba? Kasi sa baba gagaling ang negative niya. Di ba? Okay. Another most common unit of angular measurements is the radian. If the circle has a circumference of 2 pi or complete rotation of 360, or 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi. In expressing an angle measure from one unit to another, the conversion pattern below will be useful. So to convert an angle measure in degrees to radian, multiply given angle in degree by pi over 180. Yan ang pinakamagandang gamitin. Kasi sa 2 pi over 360, nire-reduce mo pa rin yun. Or 1 revolution over 360. Pwede rin yun. Or 180 degrees over pi. So, depende sa gagamitin. Or 1 revolution over 2 pi. Yan. Or 360 over 1 rep. So, depende sa gagamitin natin. So, convert 90 degrees to radian. So, 90 degrees multiplied by over 180 degrees. So, nakita na, cancel ang degrees, natira radian. So, yan. So, natira dito is pi over 2 radian, which is your 90 degrees. Diba? Cancel yun. Pi over 2. And then, convert the to revolution from 90 degrees. Yan. So, 1 rev, 360. So, cancel yan. Yan. So, siyempre, alam natin, 4 na tan. So, 1/4 o 1/4 revolution. Diba? Ang equivalent ng 90 degrees. Yan. To convert the revolution, we multiply 2 pi over 3. So, 2 pi over 3, 180 degrees over pi. So, cancel yung pi. Diba? Alam natin to na 3 times 60 is 180. So, cancel ang 3. So, 2 times, yan, ito. 2 times 60 is 120. So, 2 pi over 3 is 120 degrees. So, yan yung conversion niya. Mas madali, di ba? Next. 1 into p revolution, 2 degrees. So, ayan, check natin. So, 2 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7 over 5. So, 7 over 5 multiplied by 360 over 1 revolution. So, alam natin is 7 times 360 is 2,520, i-divide natin sa 5, we have 504 degrees. So, nakancel na yung revolution natin. So, itong seatwork na to ay i-upload dun sa Google Classroom natin. Once natapos nyo na. Yan. Okay. So, hanggang dyan lang ating discussion. So, see you uli sa susunod na discussion natin. Ciao!